Good day everyone, I am Elbib RMPS2 and this video will discuss the declining balance depreciation method. I will explain the concept, its formula, and we will solve a sample problem. What is declining balance? The declining balance method is an accelerated depreciation method. This means the asset loses more value in the early years and less in the later years. Instead of using the original cost every year, we multiply a fixed depreciation rate by the book value at the start of each year. So, ang declining balance method o kay accelerated depreciation. Pasabot ani, mas dako ang mawala nga value sa asset sa first year o gamay na lang sa next year. And dili ta permi mag-base sa original cost. Kada tuig kay gamiton nato ang book value sa pagsugod sa tuig. So, the formula for declining balance depreciation is depreciation equals beginning book value times depreciation rate, where D is depreciation per year, BV sub R equals is book value, FC is first cost, SV is salvage value, I is rate of depreciation, D sub R is accumulated depreciation at a certain period. Depreciation rate. The depreciation rate can be 125%, 150%, or any percentage higher than straight line. Companies choose a rate depending on how fast the asset becomes outdated. So ang pasabot daw ani, ang depreciation rate pwede 125%, 150% o mas taas pa sa straight line. And ginapili sa company ang rate depende kung sa kadali ma-outdated ang asset. Why we use declining balance? This method is used for assets that become outdated or wear out quickly. Examples include computers, machines, and vehicles. It matches the actual use of the asset, high performance at the start, lower performance in later years. So ang pasabot ani, ginagamit ni nga method para sa mga asset na dali maluma or ma-depreciate, like computers, machine, o vehicles. Now let's solve a problem. A company purchased equipment costing 100,000 with an estimated salvage value of 10,000 and a useful life of 5 years. The business decided to use the 150% declining balance depreciation method. Compute the depreciation expense for each year. So, ang kumpanya daw kay nagpalit daw siya equipment for 100,000. Yung salvage value is 10,000. Yung useful life is 5 years. And ang kumpanya nagamit og 150% declining balance rate. So first na to button, we will compute the rate. We will compute the depreciation rate. So straight line rate equals 1 divided by 5 years equals 20%. Since the method is 150% declining balance, we multiply 20% times 150% equals 30%. So our depreciation rate is 30%. So now I will explain the depreciation computation for each year using the 150% declining balance method. So, ang first year nga computation, for year 1, the beginning book value is 100,000. We multiply this by the depreciation rate of 30%. So, 100,000 times 30% equals 38,000. And after subtracting the depreciation, the ending book values becomes 100,000 minus 30,000 equals 70,000. Next is year 2. For year 2, we start with the new beginning book value of 70,000. We apply the same rate, 70,000 times 30% equals 21,000. Then we subtract the depreciation, 70,000 minus 21,000 equals 49,000. So the ending book value for year 2 is 49,000. And for year 3, the beginning book value is 49,000. The depreciation is computed as 49,000 times 30% equals 14,700. And then we subtract the depreciation, 49,000 minus 14,700 equals 34,300. And yung ending book value dayon is 34,300. And for year 4, the beginning book value is 34,300. The depreciation is 34,300 times 30% equals 10,290. And then we compute the ending book value. 34,300 minus 10,290 equals 24,010. And then for the year 5, the beginning book value is 24,010. but this year is different because we cannot go below the salvage value of 10,000. So instead of multiplying by the rate, we directly compute depreciation as 24,010 minus 10,000 equals 14,010. This brings the ending book value exactly down to the salvage value. And here is the summary depreciation per year. Year 1 is 30,000, year 2 21,000, year 3 14,700, year 4 10,290, year 5 14,010, and its total depreciation equals 90,000 pesos. To conclude, the declining balance method uses a fixed rate applied to the book value each year. It results in a higher depreciation in the early years and lower depreciation in later years. So pasabot na ni, mas dako ang depreciation sa first year ug mas gamay sa next year. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful.